great having you guys here today. So today, guys, basically what I want to do, I wanted to share with you guys an update on what has been going on with my portfolio. So the last time I did a portfolio, I have about $6.98 or something like that. So yes, guys, it is 98 or 69. I think it's 69 cents. Okay, so today we are at $7.21, and you can see that I am 1 cent down, which is 0.24%. So yes, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to go into the video and I'm going to share with you guys what has been going on. So I did go ahead and actually type up my portfolio. So yeah, and the money making app I use is the Crypto Tab browser and the Roblox Fit and the Roblox Relax. So yes, guys. So from my Roblox, you can see I am on the history. So from my Roblox Fit account, I did send over. I did Okay, so let me go down. First, I sent Bitcoin. So this was on the 38th. So first I sent some, okay, I'm just going to show you. So first I sent some Bitcoin and the 30th, you can see it's completed at 10:02. And then I got the Roblox Fit, right? And I sent over 0.19 Roblox, and then for my Roblox Relax I sent over 0.4 Roblox, and that's on the 30th too. So one is 10:02, one is 13:20, one is 13:23, and one is 20:15. So you can see the time stamps there. All you have to do to know what time it is take away 12 from the number. So yes, and you will get so if you take away 12 from 13, you will get 1, so it will be 1:23 in the afternoon. And take away 12 from 20, you will get 8 something, 8:15 in the night. So yes, guys, so that's basically the time. And after that, you can see how I've been collecting the mining boost, which is the CTC. So every day you can see that I've been earning. So yes, guys, so you can see that they pay me out on the 30th. They pay me out around 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4 different times. So yes, guys, so this is how I've been doing, and this is how my portfolio has basically jumped to $7.21. So thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.